Alright, I'm back up at the dump. I'm in here where I found that embalming fluid bottle. Hopefully I can find more of them, but right there in the wall you can see get some kind of cork bottle sticking out. I thought I'd pull it out with you. Alright. Well, it's got stuff on the sides. Heberling. I think it's Bloomington, Illinois. I found this before. Yeah, Bloomington, Illinois. Solid little bottle. You know, it's cork top. Here you can see the bottom. It's a pretty cool little bottle. Solid find. Nothing spectacular, but pretty cool. Later. Alright, you can see I got a corner of a big brown bottle coming out. It could be something cool, I don't know. But I just got this. It's cork top. Right here, and it says Lysol on the side. It's all embossed up on the bottom, big time. It's real nice condition. And sure as heck ain't making cork Lysol anymore. This is like, I don't know, a $2 bottle, $2 to $3. Later. Alright, I haven't been filming all this stuff because it's nothing spectacular, but some of the stuff's cool. There's an Art Deco 1 pint of whiskey or wine. It's busted. I'm getting lots of these little jugs with the handles on it. Look at this one with the pour spout. That's just perfect. Here's another one that says, I think Pinex or P-E-N-N-E trademark. That's kind of cool. But down here you can see there's just bottles sticking here. There's 1, 2, 3, and there's another one down in here. See if we can pull out this big. It looks like a big bottle. Oh, it says stuff on it. Down at the bottom anyway. Let me get this cleaned off and I will see. I don't see no other big embossing on it, but it's got some. It's a huge soda. Later. Alright, I'll show you this real quick. When I was pulling out that big bottle, there was a big brown bottle sticking out of the bank, and this is what it was. It's not that old, but it's really cool. It's some kind of chemical probably. That top's unique, so I'm going to take it. And it's perfect. And it's big. But I just raked this out back in here. There's all kinds of little brown bottles coming out. There's some cork stuff coming out too, so it's all mixed together. But look at this. Look at this big wine. It's got grapes and stuff all over it. It says something wine on the bottom. It's probably from the 40s. Made during World War II, I would guess. No, I think it's 1920. That's kind of odd. I'd say it's later than that, but I don't know. It's got lots of embossing of grapes. It's pretty cool. Later. Just looks kind of exciting. It's only been like 10 rakes later. Look at this big bottle sticking out. That looks pretty old too. Looks pretty old, and it's huge. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's blue. But it don't look like it has nothing on it. Can't tell. Man, it's a big slick, but man, that's an old bottle. That's an old one. That stinks that don't have nothing on that. I don't think it does. Man, look at that, how old that glass is with them bubbles in it. Man, that's an old bottle. Probably a plaid top, I would guess. Heck, I don't even see no mold mark on that. I think the whole bottle's blown. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. If there's no mold mark on that whatsoever, I'm gonna take that. That's pretty nice. Hopefully I can find some embossed ones like that. It's hard to tell what I'm gonna find in here, folks. Later. Alright, another thing I like is these little bottles, and I just raked this out deep. It's gotta be old. And it is. It's a cork, and it says Hires Extract for home use. Hires Extract. And there you can see the bottom. I'd say that's Hires root beer. That is really nice. It's a nice little bottle, and it's perfect. Real nice lip on it there around that cork. That's a beautiful little find. Wow, I have Hires root beer bottles, 2 old ones. Put it right with them, if that's what it is. Later. Well, folks, look what I just raked out. That's a huge milk. Let's hope this is embossed. Oh, it's got the spray on label and it's gone. Something. That stinks. Nothing on the bottom. Daggone it. Can't even read what it was, but I'll probably take it, but that stinks. But I'll probably get, look at all these bottles. I just got piles of them up here. I'll find something good here eventually. Man. After that extract bottle and now this. Let's see here. This little Hires root beer is what I'm talking about that I found earlier. I love this. That's a good find. And man, I just arguably found the best marble in the last couple months. Look at it down there. Just raked it out, didn't know what it was. I knew it was a marble, but it looked melted, but I couldn't tell. It was all caked with clay. I'm digging back in here in this clay layer, and this is an old, just awesome marble. Look at this, folks. It's just slightly bigger than average size, and it's just awesome. Look at the coloring in this. This is a showstopper. It's got a panel mark right there. It's an old hand gathered or something, I think. It's just awesome, folks. This is a quality piece, a quality find. Just quality. Probably a Christensen agate. It's just nuts. Wow, this is nice, folks. Wow. Later. Alright, I found out one real nice marble, and I think it was my first one, but maybe it might have been my second. I'm not sure. Kind of lost track. I've been here a while, a couple hours. Just kind of sitting here listening to music and digging. But I just got this cat eye. It's real nice condition. You know, it's like $1 marble. It's a real old one, 50 cents to $1, but this one's a little smaller than an average size marble. It's in between a peewee and a regular size, so it's kind of nice, in nice condition. Later. Alright, I just raked out something cool. It's got a bunny embossed on it, and it says Baby Bunny. Then if you come over here, it's got numbers. It's some kind of baby bottle. It's probably actually a baby bottle, and nipple probably one on the top. It has a chip there, and that's old. I didn't do that. You can tell it's old. It's got mineralization like calcite deposits on the outside, but I'm going to take it because it's cool. It displays nice from that side. Maybe $1 thing, probably $5 if it was whole. Later. Oh, this just makes me sick. Look, it's one of the jumbo peanut butters. Blue glass, shaped like an elephant. That's jumbo, I think. I'm pretty sure. And that's like a $100 bottle. It's like a $100 jar. I think it actually set like that. And you know, I forget. You can look it up on eBay and see how much. Wow, I'm going to take it just because it's awesome. Hopefully I can find something like this whole. That's a damn shame. It's an old break. Maybe do something with the head of the elephant, saw that off, and you know, at an angle and mount it on something that's just too nice to leave and not try to salvage later. And I'm finding all kinds of these prescription bottles, and they're real nice with the caps on it. It's like the fourth one, but I got a milk. Let's keep our fingers crossed here. This is embossed. I don't think it is. It just says 1 pint. It probably had a spray on label. That stinks. But I'll probably find one, hopefully, later. Yeah, it didn't make me feel as bad that milk bottle wasn't embossed, because just the next rake I come in here and look at the top on this bottle. It's a blob top, and look what it is. Citrate of magnesium. I found one of these broke one day, and then I found another one that's just cork different than this. That's nice. Look at that. It's a really cool citrate of magnesia. I think it's like a laxative, like milk of magnesia. Look at the bottom of that. Wow, that's a nice old bottle. It's nice condition. That's a nice find. Man, it's just, man, isn't it a shame on this? That would have just been the find of the month. They sell for $90+ every time you list them, and it's just beat up. But man, the jumbo peanut butter, oh man, this is just sickening. But I still like it. Later. Alright, I'm just finding stuff. I've just got piles of bottle. That's even cool, but it's screw top. But look at all that just from the last 25 minutes. I just got a real cool embossed. It says Sodiphene, S-O-D-I-P-H-E-N-E. And then it says first aid for the family up there. And on the bottom it says the Sodiphene Company, Kansas City, Missouri. That's a solid little bottle. Little cork top. Later. Yeah, look at this. Found another piece of this thing. So when that was thrown away, that was probably whole. Wow. It was an old break. There's a part in the ground. That's crazy. Later. Alright, do you see it there? This is unbelievable. I found so many pocket watches this year. Varying conditions. This one looks like it's gold gilt. Could even be gold. I doubt it's gold, but it's got some gold on it for it to come out looking like that from deep. It's got crayon all over it. There's the winder, there's the face here, there's the back. Another one later. All right, that looks like one of them real old blue cork top sauce bottles. It's like a Worcestershire sauce or something. I've found this before. Man, this is gonna be nice if it's not damaged. Oh yeah, it's gonna have bubbles all in the glass. Look at this, it says Holbrook and Company. It's even embossed up here, Holbrook. Cork top, real nice. Has a big P embossed on the bottom. Real good find, real nice condition. Real pretty blue glass, aqua. Nice find. Look at that bubble in that. Later. You can see all these bottles back in here. There's just bottles everywhere. There's one of them little jugs with the handle on it, but screwed up. Drop that. Oh man, look at this. Oh, that would have been nice. Aqua glass. Wonder what that was. I'm finding stuff like that in here consistently, but look at that blue. It's real bright blue. Ooh, it looks like it has textured lines on it. Ooh, I've never found this. I don't know what this is. Ooh, look how nice this is. Look at these textured lines. I've never found this bottle before. That's just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Get that color on that. Wow. I have a cap to fit it that I found today. I got a bunch of caps in here. You want to save all the good ones. That is a cool find. That's a cool Cobalt bottle. Cool one. Might even be a poison with them ridges on it, but I doubt it. Maybe. Later. Alright, I'm on a nice blue bottles. Just rake this one out. It's a real big. Says the Charles H. Phillips Chemical Company, Glenbrook, Connecticut. Made in the USA on the bottom. It's real pretty blue glass. Another quality find. Later. Yeah, my hole just caved in there. I'll have to clean that stuff out. But man, I don't know how I saw this. And I don't think this is a Marble King. It's a little clear base swirl. And it, trying to see if there's some kind of panel mark on it or something. But that's no Marble King. It's some other kind of peewee that's probably rare. And it's just absolutely beautiful. It's got them white wisps going through it. It's just tiny. Wow, it's nice, folks. That's a scarce little piece, a little marble that small. Wow. Later. Alright, I just got another really cool marble. I already wiped it off. It's under that white is clear base. There's windows there. You can see clear in and see the green over here on the other side. And look, it's got a like blended patch. I don't know what kind this is, but this is really nice and it's old. That clear base is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that showstopper. You can see, look at that, how clear base it is. It's just phenomenal, folks. Look at that. It's a beauty. Later, folks. Alright, I just raked out another one. Man, I haven't found many of these this year, and all of a sudden I'm just on them. Milk of magnesia, nice embossing, real nice blue glass. Later. I have an instant collection of these today. Here's another embossed blue bottle. There's just blue bottles everywhere up here. It's a genuine Phillips Milk of Magnesia. Pretty cool. See this big blue jar being exposed here? I think I can get it out. Oh, it looks like it's going to be all there. Heck yeah. Like these old masons. Number 1 on the bottom. Man, this is going to be nice. It's really let me see things here. Really blue glass. Look at that. Pretty nice. Not any damage whatsoever. Nice find. Later. I'm back, same hole as that last clips, but see that blue bottle right there? It looks like another Phillips Milk of Magnesia. Hopefully this one's embossed too. It is. Another one. They're just thick in here. Look at this. You know, that's a $3 or $4 bottle with that embossing on it. And I got new caps for them and I cleaned them all up and they look nice. You might even be able to get 5 for that, probably. It's a bigger bottle and it's perfect. Real nice blue glass. Got many of these, probably a half dozen already. Later. Alright, there's a cork bottle right there. Let's pull it out. See what we got here. Bloomington, Illinois. It's one of them Heberling ones, but it's, you know, got several of these today. It's perfect. Nice old corker. Later. All right, I got to sort through this stuff. These are all finds. I was finding broken Crocs in there. Where's that? Right here. If you remember back in my videos, I found another piece of this Croc, and it's beautifully decorated. Now I got another piece of it. I'll see if it'll, see, it's a fresh break. There's probably another piece in here too, but it's broke up. I'll probably take it just because it's so beautifully designed. There's two embossed, but well, that one's not embossed, but there's lots of corks here. I got lots of soda bottles, and I got a whole bag full of stuff down here too. Whoa. Whoa. But got some good marbles. It's a shame on that jumbo peanut butter thing. That's just a shame, but I'm gonna take it and glue it back together just so I have, and just put it in a box or something. It's cool. Lots of blue bottles, lots of cork bottles. Some I didn't even show. I don't even think I showed that one. Some embossed stuff, some real nice marbles, some showstoppers in there. Not many, but I don't find many here, but I got one that's worth all the other ones from the last couple days, that one there. But pretty successful day. I'm finding stuff every time. I'm never blanking and finding cool stuff, so it was another success. I'll get a few pictures of this stuff, and then I'm heading home, gonna relax and maybe order a pizza or something. Later folks, hope everybody's doing okay.